Yeah.
We basically take the deposit by credit card. We do checks.
Okay.
Anything works. If it works for you, it works for us.
Okay, great.
Yeah, all we need is the top side of that left side there, and I'll do the rest.
Okay.
And did you have any more questions about the delivery, the setup?
Yes, actually, what is the delivery fee and the time frame and stuff like that?
So we're going to include all the delivery, and I've had a chance to look at your property,
Okay.
and we see that you do not need a crane. So we're just going to ask that fence is removed about 9 to 10 feet going back in the lot, and then we have full access. Your trees, there's no air conditioner there, so there's no charge for delivery. We're actually going to include that.
I love that.
A lot of folks will just make arrangements for it, like a big piece of furniture, and then they'll charge you. We're not charging you a dime.
I love that. Even better.
Yeah.
And then what's the approximate time frame?
The unit's built, it's ready to go. We'll put the cover, the stairs, the delivery, the setup is all included. Remember those cover lifters you're going to get, the hydraulics on those. And you know what? This has been an awesome experience. Can I give you a gift?
Oh my God, of course.
I'm going to give you a Wi-Fi modulator absolutely free.
Oh my gosh.
So you can actually be anywhere you are with your girlfriends and turn the pumps on and the heater. How's that?
I love that.
That's good.
I love that.
Outside of that, we're good. I know we didn't talk about that yet, but we do offer the financing and it is available.
Okay.
But we're going to bring it out. They're going to bring the sauna out at the same time. Just here's your homework assignment.
Yeah.
Figure out where you want the sauna, because when the guys bring it out, they're going to put the swim spa where it is going to rest.
Yep.
And also, they're going to put the sauna exactly where you want it. I think it's time to take care of your husband on that one.
Okay. I will do that. And I do appreciate my extra gift.
You got it.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.